Hey guys, what is up? This is Creator here, and I will be doing something that I have never done before, but I'm going to try to attempt it right now. Anyway, yes, I'm going to be building something on the LDD for you guys to watch me build, and let's see how it turns out. I don't exactly know what I'm going to be building right now. I think it's going to be some kind of medieval style place. Check it out here. Let me see. I want to use one of these big mats. There we go. Let's put it in there. That is kind of small, but I'm going to be doing this. Okay. Now, what I'm going to need some bricks. This is much easier, I would think, for lots of people to do. When they have a huge level question, I've always thought about this. To get on the LDD or something like this, and make a building on here, because you know, since you do have a huge Lego collection, that you will most probably have the pieces. Yeah, just some random thoughts of mine. I'm looking for a 1x4 over here. And that turns out right here. There's the also. I need a 1x1, here we go. Copy that. And yeah. Why should you just copy the other side? And live in line. Let me see. But let me see. Okay, now I'm going to need black. Perfect. Some of y'all already know probably what kind of style I'm going after. I've seen a lot of people do this actually. I think the medieval market has something like this. Actually, they may be 2 bricks high, then the flats. I don't have a medieval market, I'll tell you the truth. My brother does that. Okay, let's mix around a little bit. Come on, work. There you go. Windows and doors. We'll door frame first, and then we'll get the windows there. Yeah, that's a weird window. That's there. Looks like it won't. Yeah, this finish this off on here. Whatever. And yeah, I'll open it over there. Perfect. Now, be straight there. And there, and there. One more. Okay. Now, finish filling this in. Now let's get the door. Looking for a door frame. Here we go. What? No. Okay. Let's try this out. For the frames. And to be back also. Let's try red one. Yeah. No, not that I can like black. There we go. Oh man, next time I need to put my Twitter and see when's a great time for a couple of you guys, or you people all around the world to get on and check it out. And I would love to have a live chat one. So let me know. So that would be cool. Yeah, let's do this. I want to see how this turns out actually. It may not look so spunky. Yeah, I picture it in my head. Maybe it will. Copy that. There. Then maybe this. Place it right there. That looks very decent. But delete that. That one. That one. Okay. All of part of learning is trials and errors. Okay. Ready. Turn this bad boy around. So right there. Turn this around once again. So right there. Copy. One by one, they're so easy to work with because now you don't have to turn. Okay, now I'm going to get another white that is going to be red. What? Yeah, that's 6 by 14. It's red. We saved it. Oh, you go. That should answer now. What's up then? Try black. Make sure not doing gray again. Actually, black is decent. Very decent. Anyway, this is not going to take much longer. I'm just going to copy and paste it all over the place. So probably wondering why is it taking so long to do this tutorial, but I have this simple building, but I have a full idea that I hope will work. To finish this contrast. Wait a minute, wait. Actually, I think I need 8. Whoa. And that's the wrong one. There we go. A bunch of different flat lines here. But I'm very confused right now. There we go. That is a big flat 1x piece. Very flat. Let's see. Once you get the window and make this one a little bit lower, we're going to put a window on the other side, like I did do to the bottom. Put a window right above that. I think it's right above, yeah. Right above where the door is. Do this right here. Almost done here. There we go. Place this right. Ooh, red. Right on the right. Copy that one, copy that one. I'll place this one right there. Copy it there. And it's not working out. Come on. Right. Where's this one? Here we go. Here's the frame of it. Okay, now I'm going to build the roof. Maybe I can do it in the next minute and a half. Only one way to figure it out. Biggest roof piece. This is going to be a very simple design for a roof. And we need one more over. I may have a second part to this, and I will actually leave it. Anyway, I'm going to have a second part to this. Hope you guys get the chance to see it. Anyway, thank you for watching, and this was actually really fun to make. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. It's really fun. And but I seriously do advise you to download the new LDD format here. Anyway, and so yeah, let me show you some of stuff we have real fast before this times out. I mean, seriously, look at all the different kinds. They have chickens, they have mini fish, they have spiders, all different kinds of spiders, and fish, and snakes, and birds, cats, and rats, alligator heads, and a red alligator, seriously, that's really cool. Starfish, sharks, cobras, what's cobra? Scorpions. Anyway, lots of stuff, different colored dogs. Anyway, well, thanks guys for watching, and I will have a second part. Just click right. Let's put it right here. Yeah, it's right in here. Right there. Click right in there to see the second part. Anyway, and thanks for watching. All I have to say, white pig. Anyway, thanks for watching.